Alright guys, this is another Fanimation Aire Decor ceiling fan in one of the bedrooms at the house I'm staying at in Bar Harbor, Maine. So I want to tell you guys, I've actually found out something about that light switch with the dimmer. So when you turn it on, when the dimmer is at the bottom, it starts, the fan goes slow, but when you push it up, it goes faster. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you that correction. I'll give you a closer look at it. So you can see it's got lots of cobwebs on it. It probably hasn't been used in like a year or months. Alright, I guess we'll start the demonstration of it now. So I turn it on and then it starts slow. Push this up and then it goes faster. It does have a slight humming noise to it. I think this is medium. Let me double check. Let's turn that back down and then switch it by the full chain. Okay, there we go. So I had to push that up. So anyway, I think this is medium. Sorry in the background, my cousins are playing. There's high. It does wobble a little bit, but not too bad. Blows a lot of air. Alright, we'll go ahead and shut it off. Okay, be prepared for Fanimation Aire Decor number 3 in the next video.